What's up, you guys? You got Mike from Mike'sMoneyTips.com here. In today's video, I'll show you how to buy and then start selling apps for a profit. The term's also called flipping apps for profit. The app industry is huge, and you can make a lot of money from flipping these apps. I'll show you where and how to find these apps and what to look for. The rest of the research is for you to look up. The best part is once you have the app, you don't want to flip it, you can keep it and make passive income on it. So if you want to start selling apps for some money, watch the video, leave a comment, let me know which ones you like. Matter of fact, let me know which ones you didn't like, if you're willing to buy any of them. And as always, if you like my video on how to buy and sell, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and the bell notification so you don't miss any of the future videos. So without further ado, let's get started. We're going to go to a site called Flippa.com, and on this site you can find let's see here. You can search websites, established sites, starter sites, e-commerce. Yes, you can even buy that. FBA stores. You can advertise SAS, apps, and domains. I'll make some videos about the rest of this, but today we're going to talk about apps. But for some reason it signed me out, so let's sign back in and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, well, that's a complete business, which you see is 25,000 miles. Go up here to browse, go to apps, and as you can see, it's the #1 marketplace to buy and sell apps for Android or Apple products, iOS platform. Here you got this one, Puzzle Hero. It's at $3,498. This one, whatever it is, it's at $1,000. This one's at $200. But as you scroll down, you see, like this one right here, it's got 1,000 active monthly users and $900+ income in a month, and it's at $35 and it's green. So that means the reserve has been met on it. That means if you could pick it up for, say, $450, less than a month, you'd have your money back. You could hold it and create more income with it, and then you could always turn around and sell it later at a much larger profit. But like this right here, okay, we've got these ending soon. All these have the reserve met. This one right here's got 2 days left at $1. You got Fuel Power, you got that Soldier's Adventures, which I showed you. You got the most active here. Just out of curiosity, let's look at this one. It's $1,100. I know that's high. That's not what I'm going to talk about flipping, but let's see how much money this one makes a month. It's got over 1,000 installs, 5 months old. It's making $358 a month. Gross revenues $440, $358. So you're talking, well, actually come down here to tell you. Okay, it cost them this month right here $157 to run it that month, $174 to run it that month. And it made $900 there and $812 there. So gross profit was $655 and $721. So you see that, you know, within a month you would be within profit on this. So, you know, even if you decided to hold it, even at $1,100, granted it's a little high, but you could be within profit within 2 or 3 months at the most, and then it's pure passive income. You can buy it now for $1,900, so you're talking within 3 months with a $700 profit, you're back in profit. it is pure. And then after that, it would be pure profit. You wouldn't have to buy anything else. But let's go back here and show you how you can really make a lot of money with these. Um, let's go to the ending soon. Actually, let's go to this one that's $1 that's got 3 days left. Commando Dash and something. I don't know. We'll see what it is in a second. Well, my computer will work here. Here we go. Okay. But it's only got $1 or 10 installs, no financial statements. Okay, if y'all see one like this, you really don't want to even think about it, honestly. I mean, unless you know what you're doing, you'd want something a little bit more established than this, because I'll go ahead and tell you, I buy and sell them, but I don't know what I'm doing as far as building one. Check out this maze running, see what it does. It's got one install, so no, you wouldn't want it either. Look at this one at fuel power, see what it is. As y'all can see, all my videos are raw and uncut, but if you like that sort of thing, click the subscribe button. I'm here to teach y'all how to make money, not how to spend a whole lot of money, hopefully, in the startup anyway. And as you see here, it makes $800 profit every month, and it's got over 1,000 subscribers. But it's only a month old, but that's kind of a good thing if it's already got 1,000 in a month. So that tells you it's growing pretty well. Like whenever y'all open up your apps and play games on your phone, it always has ads. That's how you get more subscribers to this. And the more people you get putting ads on yours, even though it's a free app, you're still getting paid. As you can see here, you can buy it for $2,000. Within 3 months, you'd have $400 profit just for this one app. If you bought it there, if you couldn't get it any cheaper, because the reserve has been met. But it's got 10 days at $26. I mean, you've got to think about that. Matter of fact, I'm going to put that on my watch list because I'm curious. If it goes low enough, I may buy it. But you can go down here and see all on these reserve mets. The reason why I like that way I can I know that all the reserves have been met. All I have to do then is find what I like and what I don't like. Let's take this out, and other business, because we're just looking at apps today. Monthly profit, yeah, we'll leave it there. Let's go with a max price, say $200. I like to go, where's that? I thought it was. I used to have 15, but okay, we'll go 10 days. Now search. And we'll see what we come up with. Okay, this one hadn't entered there, but this one, oh, that's the one we looked at earlier. That one we looked at. Now see, this one right here is $1. It's got a monthly profit and it's got daily install over 3,000 people. Organic increase, earn big money with this. So this right here would be a good one to possibly consider. Even though I know the bot now that 6,500. If you had the money, I believe it could be a profitable app, because it's got $50,000 or 50,000 installs. Yeah, you could get this one up a lot higher than what it is. It says monetization claims. See, it doubled the revenue here from May to June. well, almost doubled. And you can reskin it, which means you can change the little picture you put on your phone. Um, and they support buyers for setting up transfer account. Um, all you get all the source installed organic. Uh, and they haven't used any advertising, so yeah, you could scale this one big time. Of course, you have different. You got declaration, report for June, daily proof, and if you got any questions, you can comment it, or there's a button up here. Contact seller. You can call. You can get a hold of them, and the reserve's $3,000. So, you know, you may be able to get it cheaper than that. You never know. Um, it's definitely something to look into. But yeah, this is probably the best way I've found to make money for a beginner online is just buying and selling apps, or buying and holding them. It's, you know, like this one right here, it's got, well, it don't say, but you know, it's already got the, what you call it, met, and it's about now at the reserve. That's what the word is I was looking for. Got to buy it now at $250. But see, it's not been installed. There's no financials on it. You'd want to stay away from this, I would think. But at least it goes through Flippa escrow. The Flippa escrow is kind of like a safety net. You can buy through Flippa themselves instead of just PayPal. It's really a good thing. I'll tell you what this dark snake is at $155. That way I ain't got to go hunt nothing else. Okay, this is an Android app, and it's got a bite now at $1,500, and it's making $750 a month. But this is something that would concern me. See, it's went down. So let's look down here. Do they say anything about the way it's sold, or the way they've advertised? And see, they're selling it for upcoming game releases, which this guy just obviously builds and sells them. And if I knew how to do it, I'd probably do it too, but I don't. Instead, I have to buy ones already built. And one of these days, I'm going to get into the more expensive one. Like, I think I've played that one before, matter of fact. Let's see. See, this one right here has $6,500 profit every month. Even on a low month, it's only 7 months old, which is this is the whole thing. Even the first month, it made $2,900, and now it's averaging what, 8,300 or so. So, you know, within the next 7 months, you'd have it paid for if you've done the buy it now, and then it's got a request pending. I'm gonna watch this one. I may jump on it, because it is such a high. Now March went down for some reason, but I don't know why. But you see, it don't have much cost as far as the beginning. So it's like I said, it's, if you've got the money, getting into some of these higher dollar ones are good because you have the complete financials here. They even telling you where they're spending money and where they're getting ads from. So yeah, this one's completely transparent. This is beautiful. But anyway, fellas, if you got anything good out of this, hit the like and subscribe to get my next video. And until then, we'll talk to you later.